Is your canary shivering in its cage, looking a bit too chilly? It's a concern many bird owners face, and it can be heartbreaking to see your feathered friend uncomfortable. But what if I told you that preventing drafts in their cage is easier than you think? Drafts aren't just a minor annoyance. They can lead to serious health issues for your canary. If you've noticed your bird fluffing up its feathers or staying in one corner of the cage, you're not alone. Many canary owners are asking, how can I keep my bird warm and cozy? Well, you've come to the right place. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share some essential tips that will not only keep your canary warm, but also create a comfortable environment for them to thrive. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, especially if you want your canary to sing happily. Have you ever walked into a room and felt a sudden chill? How did your canary react? Did it huddle in a corner or start chirping nervously? Let me know in the comments if you've noticed your canary acting differently when the temperature drops. I've been there too. Let's talk about why drafts are so harmful. Canaries are small birds with delicate bodies, and they can easily become stressed or sick if exposed to cold air. A sudden drop in temperature can lead to respiratory issues, which can be serious. So it's crucial to create a draft-free zone for your feathered friend. It's almost like canaries have built-in weather sensors. They can sense a draft faster than we can, right? It's like they have their own little alarm system. Now, here's how to keep those drafts at bay. I've put together some simple yet effective tips that have worked wonders for my own canary, and I'm excited to share them with you. Tip 1. Choose the right location. Place your canary's cage away from windows, doors, and vents. A stable environment is key to keeping your bird comfortable. Tip 2. Use cage covers. A breathable cage cover can help insulate your canary's space during colder months. Just make sure it's not too tight, allowing for airflow. Tip 3. Monitor room temperature. Keep an eye on the temperature in the room where your canary is located. Ideally, it should be between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Hang on a little longer, because in just a moment, I'm going to share a surprising trick that can help keep your canary cozy all winter long. Did you know that canaries can actually sense temperature changes? They're like little weather forecasters, and they'll let you know when they're feeling chilly. Here's the trick. Consider using a small space heater or a heat lamp, but make sure it's positioned safely away from the cage. This can provide a warm spot for your canary without creating direct drafts. Just be cautious and monitor the temperature. Let's recap. We discussed why drafts are harmful to canaries, covered essential tips like cage placement, using covers, and monitoring temperature. And finally, I shared a surprising trick with space heaters or heat lamps to keep your canary cozy. It's all about creating a safe and warm environment for your feathered friend. I remember when I first got my canary, Sunny, I had no idea how sensitive they were to drafts until I saw him fluffing up in the corner. After implementing these tips, he became so much more active and chirpy. It was like a transformation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your canary happy and healthy. Got any tips for preventing drafts or keeping your bird warm? Share them below. I'd love to hear what's worked for you.